In this video, I'll show you how you can play with your friends in League of Legends. Now, first step is you wanna come up here, press the add icon, and you wanna add a friend. Now they're gonna have a game name and they're gonna have a tagline, so ask them for their name and their tagline. Now their name will be up here and the tagline will usually be NA if it's on NA, EUW if it's on EUW, unless they change the tagline. Now if they change it, just ask them for it. If they don't know it, they can go on the right website and they can find it. Now then what you want to do is simply press play right here, choose which one you want to play. Let's say you want to play an Aram, confirm like this, and from in here you'll be in your lobby. Now you can either press on these icons and add your friend, or simply take them here and drag them in here. So that's basically how you can play with your friends. Now this is super simple and super easy, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.